French press, lighting L to alleviate the head stress. My emotions roll over like the headrest. On the plane I connected under sunset. Start a rhyme for the time I got nothing left. Mom screaming, time's beaming, gotta make the best out this holiday weekend. What a success. I'm not high this evening, what an upset. Which flight will get me lifted where the sun rests? Time zones don't know if she up yet. Google drone, metro phone.
Now I've got a clean copy of it now, and I warn you,
Location, what is up?
this could scare you.
I'm just kidding.
Here's the email. Dear Art Bell, I just recently began listening to your radio show and could not believe it when you talked about the sounds from hell tonight. My uncle had told me this story a couple of years ago, and I didn't believe him. Like one of your listeners who discounted the story as nothing more than just a religious newspaper fabricated account. The story about the digging, the hearing of the sounds from hell is very real. It did occur in Siberia. My uncle collected videos, so forth, on the paranormal, supernatural. He passed away fairly recently, but he would have loved your show. He let me listen to one of the audio tapes that he had on the sounds from hell in Siberia, and I copied it. He received his copy from a friend who worked at the BBC. It took me a while to find it, and I warn you, what you're about to hear is very disturbing indeed.
Let's get this topic, fam, ready for the world.